Hello, this is Vince, Sniper Day Trading, and just going to go over the day for Thursday, October 20th, and going to point out the turning points. This was the start of the day right here, 6:30. I tried to be awake and up for the open this morning, and I was there, but my mind wasn't all there. I took a stop out here. Really, I could have waited this out a little bit, but I did see potential for a point or two moving right in here, but it didn't come. And so first trade was a stop out. Did get some indication here that that could have happened, but anyway, next trade came in early. This was the move I was looking for. I did get stopped out again, so that was -2 there. Wasn't really my best start for, but the next trade came in right in here. Pulled a few points out of here, about 3 points out of this trade here, and -2 ticks on the last half. Market came all the way back, pointing out to actually a reverse signal right in here, short, but that was my exit. Anyway, next trade after that does get a little bit better, although not on this trade. Again, this was actually early. Let's see, that entry was really right here on that bar. Posted it a couple of ticks or a couple of bars to the left, but sometimes it does that. Anyway, still another stop out here. Um, Again, and even this was on the early side. The turning point really took place right up in here, but I did feel this was the bottom, and that's why I entered and even added on in here. Did take on a little bit of heat after that first entry, so I'm still not really all clicking on all cylinders here, but I do start to come alive here and pick up a few trades. So actually the better area, the turning point was really right in there, even though this was at a better price. This was the safer entry. This entry short was just right. Was fairly happy with that, and scaled out. I tried to give it every opportunity for lower prices, but again, on a reverse signal long in here, I did end up getting out. Again, posting a little bit to the left and to the right, and the exit was a stop market right here. This I took in at the market as well, and I did take a little extra heat on that trade. Signal didn't really show up over here, but on the right side of that it did. And this, I talked myself out of this trade. I was anticipating a big move, and I did a lot, or I did account for a little bit bigger stop because of my market order entry here. So I had a stop just one tick higher than this, and all for just a few ticks of gain. I don't know, I got cold feet, and it's just the way it goes. I talked myself out of that trade, but this is exactly really what I was looking for. Not all was not lost. I did pick up my daily goal up until this point here, and this trade here made up for yesterday's daily stop out. So I did wait this out a little bit, and actually I do like that entry better. As you can see, it does line up perfectly. I did get in here and did take a little bit of heat, and again, timing was not really right, but I did feel this was going to drop. We did drop, but I just didn't like taking that heat here. So you can see this area here would have been a better entry. Didn't really come back on me, but still several points here. 6 points at the bottom, something in between there for those other ones. But again, a nice spot to go short. And over here, you can see a little turning point here. Down below over here, this turning point in there. Some nice continuation trades right here is basically that right there, right in here, is right here. Right there is right there. And a turning point over here. That's actually really pretty good too. Not a huge move. The next drop was like right about in here. And then a secondary move in here, which was right there. That right there is right in here. Shorts coming in right over there. And that was pretty much the rest of the day.